Step 1, you take off the old one, then you transfer the boot switch onto the new one, replacement. Alright, so guys, this is the guide for the wiring. If you have an Android screen and you're fitting a reverse camera, so this end, alright, this power goes to rear camera power. Okay, rear camera power. It goes to this, and then you go straight to the boot now. Right now, this power cable, basically once it's connected there, this is the power you receive from the radio, from the head unit basically. So what you're going to do next is, so where the red power input is, you only take the red wire and you connect it to the red wire on this one here. All right, the RCA is connected for the video output, and then you connect this to this, and then you test out your camera. The ground is already there in the RCA, so I don't think you'll need your black wire. So we try it out and we see how it is. Don't get your power straight to the reverse wire, because it's aftermarket screen. The screen flickers every now and then, so you need to get the power from the head unit itself. Yes, so alright guys, so reverse is off, and you don't need to connect the black color wire because the ground is through the RCA. If it doesn't work on the first time, in the first go, make sure you go to your settings on your Android screen, and then make sure you select aftermarket camera on there, and then it will work for sure. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helps. I'm going to take you across again now. So that's your camera power from your aftermarket head unit, and then that wire goes all the way to the back. This one here is your power, which goes to the RCA red, and the black one is just a dummy, so just put tape over it and close it up. So I'm going to tidy up everything. I'm going to cut this one short, join it, and then we're good to go. So this was just a test. Just make sure everything's working fine, and yeah, everything's working good. Thank you for watching this video. So routed through there, boot lid, then the hinge. You can't see the wiring, as you can see. Then it goes all the way up across there, all across down, right through there and there. So you can't see any wiring, as you can see, all neat and tidy. Ignition on. Put into reverse, and there you go, your camera working there. All right.